Dali day, naunsa man ka day? Nasudlan dag bato? Nasudlag bat? Nasudlag bato?
No, it's like soft.
Murkuan tai ba ana?
Really uncomfortable.
Di ka komportable sa imong kuan? Gisuot?
No, it's like something at the bottom of it. It's like
Wala nimo giana sa imong kamot?
I just did.
Okay. Ito na si Papa. Una na. Kusog mulakaw ning isa oy. Si palangga pod kusog pod mulakaw hanad man ni. Hala, unsa na diha Nindot lagi na diha paridita nag-slide. Nindot lagi na sa slidean diha, darling. It's nice to slide here, you know? Dato. Slide ba diha padidit bang lubot
It's
sa
like
unas.
motorbike trails.
Right.
I'm guessing the big one's the one that they use the most.
Magpadidit ko diha unya, darling ha.
I'm not padidit.
Padidit mag-slide ba? Darling, I wanna do slide there.
I'm going to start calling out Seagull shortly.
Ha?
Shut the claxons, he's getting out of the car.
That's my nickname.
I wanna do the slide there, oh.
The slide.
Yes. When we come back, I wanna do slide. Uy, pako mani. Hello guys, this is pako. That. Uy, we can cook that, you know. Vegetables. Hala, may pako pala dito. Darling, we might get them pako. We can cook them. You know this one, darling, look. What do you call with this?
What?
We can cook this one like guys, this is a
I
pako.
need that. Bloody old man.
Ha?
Bloody apple.
Full daw. Pakanoon ako siya. Ani pati naghana, Murag siya pako. Murag pako na siya, guys. Okay. Pastira na lang ko. Ganina ra ko no ko sigipan ha. Gikan pagikan. Bikan pagikan. Pag daog ko no skarban ha na kayo. Look maning giog man ni diri kasagbutan. Dagan kabiyaan ako nila. Na mga tae diri. Nindot jud tanawon ang green no. Tae? Agoy. Tae day tugang. Bahuag tae diri oy, dagan magtao diri. Uy.
This is why we should get a dog.
What? For what?